Hey, if you've been looking for a way to make money online and you came across a site called Computer Connect or Computer Value, I must immediately warn you to stay away from this platform. This is an outright scam. There is no way that you can make money just by posting links. And I was, unfortunately, when I first started looking for a way to make money online, I fell victim to a scam like this, but there's no way that you can make easy money just posting links. And I'm gonna expose this scam for what it is, so make sure you watch this video till the end, and I'm also gonna show you a genuine way that you can really learn how to make substantial money online. So I wrote an article on this, and I'm gonna leave a link to this below the description where I exposed everything about this scam. And if I take you to their official website, you can see this might be the page that you landed on when you first seen this opportunity called Computer Connect. Or you might have been taken to a page like this because they try to change things around to make themselves look a little more legit after I published the article. But most likely you're gonna come to a page like this because this is something where it misleads you to thinking that it's really easy to just make money posting links. And if I take you down to this section, they even have a calculator where it supposedly shows how much you get paid per link that you post. And this right here is just nothing legitimate about this. And I'm gonna show you another way that they try to mislead or scam people. See, if you just change the name Connect, they basically this can change to anything. See, now it's Computer Value. And there's many names to this scam, and what they basically do is they try to change their name around so you won't come across a video or article basically exposing the scam, cause yeah, hold on. I'm gonna name it Computer Scam because that's what it is. And as you can see, Computer Scam, your #1 choice for success online. So this basically can change into anything. And if I take you to my website and you look into my ultimate guide to make money online, I show you 4 proven steps that a lot of successful entrepreneurs take to start making money by posting links. And as I said, there's more to it. And this is something that I provide for free, and this is something that you'll be able to immediately understand. So there'll be a link to this below if you're interested. But let me start wrapping this up about Computer Connect or Computer Value, because I'm pretty sure that you know this is not legit now. So I hope this video provided clarity on Computer Connect or Computer Value, whatever other name they're gonna switch it up and call it. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the button, subscribe, so you can stay up to date with the best opportunities to make money online. Max Edwards from ChancesToLive.com signing out.